Have you been struggling to get your email campaigns off the ground? What if I told you there's a simple way to get started today? No tech skills required. Hi, I want to show you how to grow your email list and start connecting with your audience in just 7 days. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your results, this system has helped thousands of people take control of their email marketing without the hassle. When you opt in, you'll get access to a step-by-step plan, plus all the tools and templates you need to set up an effective email campaign, fast. No more guessing or feeling overwhelmed. Imagine being able to send professional emails, grow your list, and see real results, all within the next week. Sounds pretty great, right? Here's how it works. Click the link, sign up, and you'll instantly get access to our free 7-day email campaign that walks you through every step. Plus, I'm here to guide you through the process with easy-to-follow tips. Get started today.